राम गुरु जी।
नमस्ते डॉक्टर सदानंद सर जी, कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक है।
ओके, ठीक ठाक है भाई।
जीने के उद्देश्य क्या है?
देखिए, जीने के उद्देश्य पर हमने बहुत सारे वीडियो बना चुके हैं। जीने का उद्देश्य यही है कि पहले तो जिंदा रहो, और जिंदा रहने के लिए है कि समझदार आदमी हो तो अपने आप से प्यार करो। खाना पीना, सोना, हवा, पानी और जो व्यायाम होता है वो सब करते रहो। नहीं तो ये बॉडी क्या है, एक मशीन है। देखो मशीन दिखाओ, ये मशीन सबका भी मेंटेनेंस होता है। ये मशीन सबका मेंटेनेंस होता है, नहीं तो मशीन खराब हो जाएगा। इसी तरह आपका जो शरीर है ना, वो भी एक ज़बरदस्त मशीन है जिसको प्रकृति ने बनाया है। ये मशीन इंसान कहीं बना नहीं सकता। तो इसको क्या करना है, मेंटेन करना है। आप मेंटेन करना चाहिए। उद्देश्य पहला है जिंदा रहो, सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट। इसी के लिए आपको सब कुछ करना चाहिए कि आप जिंदा रहो, और जिंदा रहोगे तो आपको बहुत सारी आवश्यकताएं होती है। रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान, परिवार, सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, बहुत सारे मैस्लो ने कह दिया था। ये सब कर लीजिए, फिर जिंदा रहिए। और इसके लिए बोला सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन। मैस्लो का सिद्धांत ही सुना देता हूँ। फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स, सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी नीड्स, सोशल नीड्स, सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन। तो जीवन का उद्देश्य तो मैस्लो ने बहुत अच्छे ढंग से कहा, यू मस्ट बी व्हाट यू कैन बी। यू आर नॉट ऑर्डिनरी, नो ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑर्डिनरी। They have no goal, they don't understand and realize their power of mind. That's why they remain like a cattle, beasts, groveling, bestial thought, greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, and cynicism. They live and they die, nobody recognizes them. How many people are Einstein, Newton, Stephen Hawking? How many people? How many people are Ford? How many people are Edison? How many people are such great people we have seen on earth? All are cattle in this world, broad field of battle in the bivouac of life. In this world, broad field of battle in the bivouac of life, be not a drum-driven cattle, be a hero in the stripes. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints of sense of times. So the whole purpose of life is to love yourself, respect yourself, and once you have got the supreme power, you have got the self-realization, actualization, you will contribute significantly to the world. And the turbulent world, the ignorant world, the indolent world, the bestial, groveling world engaged in wars, they will learn the value of love, affection, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, and cooperation. The whole scenario will change. So that's the meaning of life, self-actualization. Realize yourself. The great people have no monopoly. You are also one such great people. So go deeper into your soul, meditate, contemplate, realize your power, the intelligent substance, that is the power of your mind. Explore it. That is only possible once you have purity of mind. That should be the real meaning of life. And once you have done all these great things, you become immortal. Night I couldn't sleep, Dr. Satnarayan. 2 o'clock every morning, I start disturbed. I become disturbed. I start thinking, meditating. And I was thinking, people think life is granted. You are immortal. You will never die. But the fools don't know. They will die, but they will not know that they have died. So many people die. They don't know where they were living or where they are dead. But I tell you, a wise people, like Kabir said, दुनिया खाए पिए और सोवे, कबीरा जगे और रोए. Kabir Das bole, I am always awake and always crying and weeping to see the turbulent world, violent world, criminal world, fighting, quarreling, murdering, massacring. But these idiots, ignorant, indolent, thoughtless, groveling, bestial people, they murder, massacre, rape, fight, war and war. They don't know what is the meaning of life. They have lost the way. They have barricaded the world in hate. They are greedy. They have developed machines, and the machines they are using to destroy the mankind and to the world. They are bombarding everywhere in every country. They think they are supreme. False! Become serious, become wise. Learn from Buddha the power of love, the power of forgiveness, the power of ignoring the idiotic behavior of others. Then you will remember as a great man. You see, there are Einstein, Newton, so many great thinkers, philosophers, and scientists. And Buddha was one. But Buddha was more powerful than anybody else. Because without weapons, without all the discovery and inventions, you can survive. But if you have no peace in the world, you will go for wars after wars and you will destroy everything. Buddha is remembered. Just now you told. The people do not realize life is to live seeking the truth, seeking the ultimate path, the way through which the world can survive much longer. That should be the purpose of life, to be wise, to be enlightened, to realize the truth. Like gravity is a truth. Similarly, love is a supreme truth. Cooperation, kindness, affection, loyalty towards the world, towards your people, towards your society, unwavering courage, decision making and planning, so that you are happy, others are happy. And then after death also, you will never be forgotten. You become immortal. You just now told me there are two types of life. One is when you are breathing, your heart is functioning and you are alive. Another is after your death. See, the names I have taken before you, they are no more. But can you forget Swamiji, you told? He died in 1902. At the age of 39, still he is remembered. Buddha also died 500 BC, still is remembered. And Einstein died, Newton died, Stephen Hawking died, Andrew Carnegie died, and so many great people who did so much for the world, Wright brothers died, Henry Ford died. Do you forget them?
No.
The suffering humanity cannot forget the people who have significantly contributed so nicely so that the world is civilized. Lives are saved because of the medical innovations and discoveries. The physicians are giving the best medicine to improve the immunity systems. And surgery has become so powerful that even cancer can be cured by surgery. Heart ailments can be cured by operation. These are the people who have given meaning to the lives of the ignorant, bestial, groveling people also. So that is the meaning of life. After death, if you are remembered for your selfless service, don't say, लेना जानते हो देना नहीं जानते. रे भिखारी की औलाद, कुत्ते कमीने, तुम कौन होता है देने वाला? देनहार. बोल बोल बेटा बोल. देनहार कोई और है. जिंदे बद्दिन रैन, लोग भरम मुझ पर करे तासो नीचे ने. अरे सब न्यूटन नहीं बना, आइंस्टाइन नहीं बना, बुद्ध नहीं बना. उसके लिए बड़ा तपस्या किया होगा व्यक्ति, इसीलिए इतना महान बन के पैदा लिया. सोर्स बना, रोशनी देता है. आदित्य बना जो अंधकार को उड़ाता है. चांद बना जो शीतलता देता है. क्या तुम्हारे मर्जी से बना? बड़ा देने वाला चला. भिखारी, अकल तो है ही नहीं, नेकी कर दरिया में फेंक. सूरज कहता नहीं किसी से मैं प्रकाश फैलाता हूँ. बादल कहता नहीं किसी से मैं पानी बरसाता हूँ. हवा कहता नहीं किसी से मैं तुम्हें ऑक्सीजन देता हूँ. जो देते वो पूछते नहीं, खुश हो जाते. माँ जैसे बेटे को दूध पिलाती है, माँ का सीना चौड़ा होता है कि मेरा बेटा दूध पी के तगड़ा बनेगा, वो राम बनेगा, कृष्ण बनेगा, न्यूटन बनेगा, आइंस्टाइन बनेगा. जब ये चौधरी चमार अपने 2 कुत्तों को पालता है, अपना खाना छोड़ के उसको खिलाता है, सोचता है मेरा हीरा वीरा देखो, मेरा यही शिवाजी महाराज महाराणा प्रताप है. तो प्यार में भाई ये नहीं देखा जाता है लेना देना. इसीलिए जो ही लोग जिंदा रहते हैं तो सेल्फलेस सर्विस करते हैं. दैट इज द रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ. विवेकानंद सेड, those who live for themselves they are bliss, those who live for others they are only living their lives. And आप जस्ट बोले वही अमर हो जाते हैं. ओम शांति.